Take care, homie. Fix your razor. I'm going outside. Bye-bye.
Oh, it's a bracelet, but it ain't on his ankle. His wife put a bracelet on his jewels. He got a bracelet hooked to his jewels, and she strapped it down in the garage, so he can't go nowhere no more. There, are you?
Oh no, not the bread man. No, the bread man got to eat his own breadcrumbs. The bread man got to eat his own breadcrumbs, cause he been pecked by the right chicken. That got me henpecked. Hey, oh my goodness, hey, homie, bread man, one of my best friends in the whole wide world. I'm not repeating a damn thing you say. I gotta go outside. Take care, bye-bye.
I'm gonna tell you this, man. I'm gonna let the band roll on, cause I already said I was. Hey, the thing about it, man, you know, the funny part about it, man, is, you know, I'm real close to Pee Wee and Bread, man, but I ain't close enough to help you get the Captain Bigger off. Pee Wee was over there trying to pick the lock. He was over there trying to pick the lock. He was on his knees trying to pick the lock. I'm just trying to picture in your mind, man, that didn't look right there, are you?
No. I'm gonna drop the mic. I'll talk to you later on tonight. You done lost your rabbit-ass mind at this particular time. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. You said P did it. You said, wait a minute. Let me get everything right so everybody get the focus of everything. You said Bread Man Sweet Thing put a bracelet on his jewels. And P did it trying to pick the lock off of his jewels. Oh my goodness. Woo! Take care, Switchblade ain't coming back. Bye-bye.
I'll see you. Hey, we homeboys, but I gotta draw the line somewhere. I saw you.
Oh my goodness. See, you know what's gonna happen? They gonna blame me for it, see? Your voice carry too, man. Your voice is everywhere. But they gonna blame me for it. They gonna blame me for this. Hey, homie. Switchblade said you got me because I didn't turn on the water gate. So I can't prove it. But you got me this time. But the world hurt you, homie. I just agree with you, bye-bye.
Hey, let me tell you something, man. You ain't need no Watergate Captain Bigger. Hey, don't worry about the Watergate Captain Bigger. The way you broadcasting on the west side. Hey, you sounding like your old self, man. Mother Nature must be doing her thing. Captain Bigger, bump it down on you later. Switchblade is always a blessing. You know who it is? Your killer clown on the west side rocking these killing fields is clear.
Killing clown, the killing clown in the killing field. Yeah, man, you said I'm rocking Mother Nature. Man, I didn't know that, Captain Bigger. She up and down, she up and down. She gonna see how my nine feel. Hey, homie, if Mother Nature be still, she gonna see how my nine feel. Take care. Wait a minute. Hey, homie, I'm talking about my nine element. Switchblade going outside. Bye-bye.
I was hoping you was gonna clarify that. Because there's too much of them personal things going around, man. But hey, sooner or later, I think what he did was, I'm gonna say this and I'm gonna let you go. They figured out if he go get some baby oil and massage it, they can slip it off. So I think that's what Pee Wee did. I'll see you.
No. Man, no, baby oil, that's next to KY. Hey, no, don't tell me P did a whoop out a tube of baby oil. That's next to KY. I ain't talking about Kentucky either, Captain Bigger. No, I can't come back, bye-bye.
He got tears in my eyes, man. Bumping down on your later blade, your homie the clown in the killing fields, aka 63 is 10-6.